giving me an opportunity to hone my pronunciation skills. My name is Priyanjali. I belong to Ghosi. I'm learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. Today, I'm going to deliver a speech on success. I want to start my speech with some awesome rhymes. Walk with a time, or else time will pass and you will be left behind. समय के साथ चलो वरना समय आगे निकल जाएगा. समय के साथ चलो वरना समय आगे निकल जाएगा और तुम पीछे रह जाओगे. If the goal is strong, the destination automatically kneels. अगर लक्ष्य प्रबल हो तो मंजिल अपने आप घुटने टेक देती है. Real success is something we should all strive to attain. We believe that when a person has enough money to be able to afford what he or she wants, the person is successful. Sometimes we see wealthy people and conclude that they are not successful. But if this is true, then we can safely conclude that success is deeper, or money or other superficial and physical things can be acquired or what. Money is very important to success, but it is not necessity or neither it is the only key of success. I end up my talk with a special thank to you all wonderful people for listening to me with a great passion. Thank you so much and have a good day.
सलाम बहन भाइयों, अंग्रेजी की बढ़ती हुई जरूरतों को देखकर उसे नजरअंदाज नहीं किया जा सकता. अगर आप अच्छी नौकरी करना चाहते हैं या आप किसी इंटरव्यू में जाना चाहते हैं तो बगैर इंग्लिश के ये संभव नहीं है. तो बहन भाइयों, देर किस बात की,